Welcome to the Hampton Inn & Suites of Ridgeland, Mississippi. Today we're going to take you through a room tour of room 219. At the end of the video, we'll also show you some of the amenities of the hotel itself. This hotel is located just 25 minutes from the Jackson International Airport. This bathroom has everything you can need and it's super clean. It's got the glass doored shower. Some extra towels and washcloths for you. And they use zero soap products here. A great massaging shower head. And this is the hair dryer. More zero soap products. And even some lotion. Housekeeping services are done every other day, but you can contact them if you need something. And you got your back-to-back mirrors here, so you can see both sides of yourself. And this room has many outlets. More outlets than I've ever seen in a room before. Both 110 and USB ports. More outlets here on the lamp stand. Nice big comfy bed here. And also the footstools at the base of the bed are a great addition. And if you need more power outlets, this room has them. Here on the lamp stand and even on the nightstand itself.
And look! Welcome, Robin, Hilton's silver member. How about that? And this is the little desk. Once again, USB and regular plugs. A regular plug on the wall. And we have coffee and tea. The typical stuff. So we have a little fridge, a microwave, ice bucket on the bottom, racks, and look, haven't seen that in a long time. Over there. And then of course, because I'm a Hilton's Honor member, I get 2 bottles of water every day. All I have to do is go down there and ask for them. Got 2 free bottles of water. This is welcome, we've been expecting you. Okay? And thermostat on the wall. Your emergency stairway, and still enjoying the room? Do not disturb. or still enjoying the room, do not disturb. You have this kind of lock, as well as a deadbolt. So you have a deadbolt lock and that lock both. Myself, there's no closet in this room. This mirror is really a closet. Door don't open very good. And you got your hanger, your iron, your hangers, your ironing board, a luggage rack, and my favorite, an extra blanket.
Free continental breakfast is included, and it's from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the first floor across from the front desk. The Wi-Fi is your last name and your room number. Checkout is at 11 a.m. and dial 0 if you need assistance. There is also an ice machine for you and a swimming pool that's indoors. We can recommend the Hampton Inn & Suites of Ridgeland, Mississippi for your next travel in that location. We are Select Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.